Hello, I've just got some rosemary cuttings, because you want rosemary cuttings in the spring when it's actually growing and you've got the green growth on it. So I've taken a few because I want 3 rosemary plants, one for home, one for the allotment and one for a friend. So I've got about 8 cuttings, so I should get 3 out of these. Now the first job is obviously take most of the leaves off it. The plant only needs a little bit to keep it going until it roots. To start, got some compost. Now adding plenty of sharp sand for drainage, because we don't want this to be too soggy or too wet. And then obviously you could, if you wanted to, save this, but we've got plenty. My neighbour's got plenty, so I can always get some. So I'm taking most of the leaves, but leaving a few at the top. And we don't want the brown woody bit, we want the green bit. So you can see where there's a green bit there, and then it starts turning woody. So we don't want this because this is old stuff, we want the fresh growth. So I'm going to cut it just below that. So I've got a piece about 10-15 centimetres, and then simply just plonk it in. I will water this in a minute. Right, I didn't want to cram them all into one pot because you need space around them, so you don't want them to be touching really too much. So rather than try and cram them into one pot, split them into 2 pots, 4 in each. And the last stage is to give them a good water and wet the compost, and then they can join the sage and the bay that I had sitting in this tote already. Cover it all with plastic, keep the moisture in. That's that, and we'll see what happens.